Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're celebrating one of the most beautiful festivals in India, Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights. This festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. But more than just rituals, it's a time that inspires unity and respect among all of us. Diwali is a time for families to come together, for friends to reunite, and for communities to unite. It reminds us that regardless of our backgrounds or beliefs, we can all find common ground in joy and celebration. This festival doesn't just illuminate our homes, it brightens everyone's lives. Look around. The vibrant decorations, the delicious sweets, the joyful laughter, all of this brings people together. Diwali invites everyone to join in, regardless of their cultural or religious backgrounds. In this way, every life shines bright during this special time. This festival is also about giving back. Many young people take this opportunity to help those in need, spreading happiness beyond their own homes. It teaches us the importance of compassion and kindness, which are essential values in today's fast-paced world. During Diwali, we worship Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity, and Lord Ganesha to remove obstacles. This reminds us to seek abundance in knowledge and wisdom, paving a brighter path for our future. Each tradition carries a lesson that we can apply in our modern lives. So, what life lessons can we learn from Diwali? Here are a few. 1. Unity in diversity. Just as Diwali brings together people from various backgrounds, we should celebrate our differences and work together for a common goal. 2. Kindness and generosity. Helping those in need reminds us that our actions can create a ripple effect of positivity in our communities. 3. Reflection and growth. Diwali encourages us to reflect on our actions and strive for personal and communal growth. 4. Embracing hope. In today's world, it's crucial to embrace hope and positivity, much like how we light diyas to dispel darkness. On this Diwali, I invite you to light a diya not just for yourself but for others too. Let's illuminate our hearts with love and understanding. Together we can make our nation a beacon of hope and positivity. Thank you for celebrating Diwali with us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more uplifting content. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. May your lives be filled with light, love and laughter.